Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok if it's not showing your video to others. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check your privacy settings, okay? Go ahead over to your profile, tap on the three horizontal lines, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now, in here, we have privacy under account, okay? So just tap on it and make sure that you are under a public profile. If this one is enabled, that means that you are using a private account. Okay, make sure that you disable this one. And after that, check your post. For example, this one. You got to tap on the three dots. Now go ahead and go to the very bottom, these tabs, and find privacy. Okay, you have your privacy settings. Just tap on it and make sure that it is set to everyone or even friends. Okay, and once done, also check if your video or post got the review status. Okay, if it got the under review status, well, it will not be visible. Okay, it will require you to wait or delete the post. All right, and there you have it. You could also try to at least log out. Okay, tap on settings and privacy right here, log out or switch account, then go ahead and go back to your main account and check the video. Test it out, use another account or get it checked by friends, okay? Let them visit your profile. If they can see the video, well, that means you're good to go. That is how you fix TikTok if it's not showing your video to others. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.